Hello everyone, I am Pranshi Ladha. I come from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Currently, I am pursuing PGDM from New Delhi Institute of Management in digital marketing as well as human resources. Before this, I was working as a news writer for over 9 months. And while working there, I realized that I am inclined a little more towards the management side of the industry. So that's when I decided to pursue PGDM. I was searching for colleges to do PGDM from. And the more I researched about it, the more compelled I was to join this institute. So some of the reasons were industry linkages. It is known in the college world for its industry linkages. And the second one was that it offers PGDM into specializations. The curriculum specially is updated every year, and the faculties here are open to suggestions. So if you want to add any topic to the curriculum, you can ask them to do so. Moving on a little bit about the digital marketing department of NDIM. So they teach you all the latest tools in the marketing field. Some of them are YAM, yet another mail merge, and text-to-data analytics, wherein you can do sentiment analysis. So you can always suggest any of the tools to them and they will cover those in the classes as well. I personally benefited a lot after learning all of these tools during my final placement. Additionally, when I was doing my summer internship at Exceed Media, which is a digital marketing agency, I applied a couple of these tools during my work, and I also taught YAM, which is yet another main merge, to the employees in my organization. Talking a little about the CST department here. So regular corporate skills development classes are conducted here at NDIM, wherein they train you for interviews, group discussions, as they have separate aptitude classes as well. And you can approach any faculty at any time for a mock interview and they will be happy to take one for you. I got placed in Tech Mahindra, and this was in third semester itself. And Tech Mahindra being one of the top 5 companies, IT companies in India, it was a great opportunity for me. And throughout the process, I'm happy to say I had my CST, my faculty, every department there to help me and guide me. NDIM is not only a college which is teaching students, it is actually an institute which trains professionals.